Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share something truly life-changing, how learning English can completely transform your world. English is not just a language, it's a tool that can open doors to opportunities you may have never imagined. Whether you dream of traveling, studying abroad, making international friends, or advancing in your career, English is the bridge that connects you to those possibilities. Think about it for a moment. Imagine walking into a coffee shop in London, New York, or Sydney and being able to confidently order your favorite drink. Imagine striking up a conversation with someone you've met online from another country and actually understanding their jokes, ideas, and stories. Imagine watching a YouTube tutorial, reading an important book, or following a lecture from a top university without struggling to understand every word. That sense of freedom, independence, and confidence is what learning English gives you. It is not just about memorizing grammar rules or vocabulary. It's about unlocking a whole new world. In this story, we will explore step by step how learning English can improve your life with practical examples, tips, and motivation to keep you going. And the best part? You are not alone on this journey. Millions of people around the world are learning English every day, facing similar challenges and celebrating their small victories. The key is not to compare yourself to others, but to focus on your own growth. Progress is personal, and even small improvements are worth celebrating. One of the most exciting benefits of learning English is the ability to connect with people from all over the world. English is spoken by over 1.5 billion people in more than 70 countries. And that means every time you improve your English, you unlock the potential to communicate with millions of people across the globe. Whether it's traveling, attending an international conference, or chatting online, English acts as a bridge that allows you to participate fully in a global community. English is also the dominant language online. Almost all international content, YouTube videos, podcasts, news websites, blogs, and social media is in English. By learning it, you can access ideas and discussions that were previously closed to you. You can participate in online communities, collaborate on projects with people from different countries, and even share your own thoughts or creative work with a global audience. For instance, imagine joining a Reddit community or a Facebook group about your favorite hobby, where most discussions are in English. Without English, you might feel left out, but with it, you can actively engage, learn from others, and even teach or inspire people with your ideas. Let's take Lucas from Chicago as an example. Lucas loved video games and wanted to connect with international players online. Initially, he struggled because most communities used English. He hesitated to join conversations, worried about making mistakes. But Lucas committed to learning English, watching tutorials, chatting with players, and practicing new phrases daily. Soon he could participate confidently in global gaming discussions, form teams with players worldwide, and even join international tournaments. English didn't just allow him to communicate, it opened doors to experiences he would never have imagined. Another advantage of connecting through English is cultural understanding. By communicating with people from different countries, you learn their customs, ideas, and ways of thinking. You gain a broader perspective on the world. Imagine having friends in Canada, the UK, Australia, and India. Through English, you can share stories, learn about traditions, and even exchange life advice. These experiences expand your mind and make you more adaptable and confident in diverse situations. Learning English doesn't just help you communicate, it can completely transform your career and professional life. In today's globalized world, employers in the USA and around the world value employees who can speak English confidently. It's no longer just a bonus skill, it's often a requirement for higher-paying jobs, leadership roles, and international opportunities. English opens doors that can change the trajectory of your career and your future. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine Sarah, a young professional from Texas. She was highly skilled in her field, but she often felt nervous during meetings because she struggled to find the right words in English. Emails, presentations, and conversations with colleagues from other countries felt intimidating. Instead of letting this stop her, Sarah made a commitment. She would practice English for at least 15 minutes every day. She recorded herself reading emails aloud, practiced speaking in front of a mirror, and even joined online discussion groups. Over a few months, she noticed a dramatic improvement. Her confidence grew. She participated actively in meetings, and she started communicating clearly in writing. Eventually, her manager noticed her progress and offered her a leadership role in a project with international clients. This opportunity, which seemed impossible before, came directly because of her improved English. Another important benefit is networking. When you can speak English well, you can attend conferences, seminars, webinars, and professional events where most participants speak English. You can connect with mentors, peers, and potential clients or employers. Imagine attending a tech conference in California and being able to converse naturally with international speakers and attendees. That networking alone could lead to collaborations, job offers, or new business opportunities. Even if your dream job is local, English still plays a crucial role. Many companies in the USA work with international clients or produce global products. Your English skills can make you stand out as a reliable employee who can handle tasks that involve communication across borders. It's not just about speaking, it's about confidence, credibility, and creating opportunities that wouldn't exist otherwise. So, whether your goal is a promotion, a better salary, or a dream job with an international company, learning English is one of the smartest investments you can make. One of the most powerful benefits of learning English is the incredible access it gives you to education and knowledge worldwide. English is often called the language of education, science, and innovation. Top universities, prestigious online courses, international research papers, and tutorials are mostly available in English. By improving your English, you open doors to learning that were once closed or difficult to access. English also allows you to take part in global communities of learners. Online discussion forums, study groups, and webinars often use English as the primary language. By speaking English, you can ask questions, share ideas, and collaborate with people worldwide. This interaction not only improves your understanding, but also builds confidence in your ability to communicate your thoughts clearly. Imagine discussing a complex topic like climate change or AI ethics with peers from Canada, the UK, and India. English makes it possible. Moreover, English skills allow you to combine education with career growth. For example, understanding technical content in English can give you an edge in applying for international internships, freelance jobs, or remote work opportunities. It's not just about learning, It's about applying knowledge in real-world situations. You can take what you've learned and create projects, solve problems, or innovate in your field. English is the bridge that connects knowledge to action. Learning English is exciting, but it's also a journey filled with challenges. Many learners feel nervous when speaking, forget words, or struggle to understand fast conversations. This is completely normal. Even people who speak English fluently faced these challenges when they were learning. The key to success is not avoiding mistakes, but embracing them as part of the process. Take Alex from New York as an example. When he first tried speaking English with colleagues from other countries, he felt nervous and often hesitated. Sometimes he forgot the right words, sometimes he couldn't understand fast speech, and sometimes he mispronounced terms. At first, these moments made him doubt himself. But Alex didn't give up. Instead, he decided to practice daily. He recorded himself speaking, repeated sentences from podcasts and videos, and even joined online English-speaking groups. Over time, Alex noticed that his confidence grew. He could follow conversations better, and he began speaking naturally. His small, consistent efforts turned challenges into achievements. It's important to remember that every learner faces similar struggles. Forgetting words, struggling with grammar, or feeling shy to speak is part of learning a new language. What matters most is consistency and persistence. Even 10-15 minutes of practice every day can make a huge difference over weeks and months. The secret is to make learning a habit rather than a chore. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to remember your personal why. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for travel, career advancement, or connecting with people worldwide? Maybe you want to watch movies in English without subtitles or read your favorite books in their original language. Speaking regularly is another crucial step. Many learners hesitate to speak because they fear making mistakes, but mistakes are actually proof that you are learning. Practice speaking with friends, join online communities, or even talk to yourself in English. Celebrating small wins is equally important. Did you understand a difficult sentence in a movie? Did you correctly use a new word in conversation? Did you finish reading an article in English? These are victories. Learning English can feel challenging at times, but the most important thing to remember is this: you can do it. Every journey starts with a single step, and every effort you make counts. It doesn't matter if you only have 10 minutes a day to practice. What matters is consistency and determination. English is not something that happens overnight, but with daily effort, anyone can improve, grow, and succeed. Step 1 is to start today. You don't need hours of study to see results. Even 10-15 minutes of focused practice each day is enough to build momentum. Step 2 is to immerse yourself in English naturally. Make it part of your daily life. Watch movies or TV shows in English, listen to English music while commuting, read articles or books that interest you, or play games with English instructions. Step 3 is speaking regularly. Many learners hesitate because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are actually proof that you are learning. Step 4 is to celebrate every small win. Did you understand a difficult sentence in a movie? Did you use a new word correctly in conversation? Did you finish reading an article in English without help? Celebrate it. Finally, believe in yourself. Confidence is one of the most important factors in learning English. When you believe that you can improve, that mindset alone motivates consistent practice and faster progress. So today, take that first step. Open a book, watch a video, speak a few sentences aloud, or write your thoughts in English. Don't wait for the perfect time or for conditions to be ideal. The journey starts now, and you are capable of achieving fluency if you take consistent action, embrace mistakes, and stay motivated. Remember, you can do it. Every small effort is a step toward mastering English, and every day you practice brings you closer to your goals. Keep going, stay positive, and never give up. You have everything it takes to succeed. Congratulations! By reaching this part of the story, you've already taken the first step toward transforming your life through English. Learning a new language is not just about memorizing words or grammar. It's about opening doors to opportunities, connecting with people, and building confidence. Every sentence you speak, every word you write, and every lesson you study is a step toward a brighter future. Learning English prepares you for the global world we live in today. Whether you want to travel, study abroad, work remotely, or connect with international communities, English is the bridge that allows you to do it all. Imagine attending a conference in New York, discussing your ideas confidently with international colleagues, or networking with professionals across the globe. English gives you the ability to participate fully, not just as a visitor, but as an active contributor. But beyond opportunities, English also gives you personal growth and independence. You can watch your favorite shows without subtitles, read books that inspire you in their original language, or explore online tutorials and educational content that were previously inaccessible. Every time you understand something in English that you couldn't before, you feel the power of self-improvement. That sense of achievement is invaluable because learning English is not just about speaking a language, it's about growing as a person. Now take action today. Open a book, write your thoughts in English, watch a video, or speak a few sentences aloud. Don't wait for the perfect time. The moment to start is right now. Every single word you learn, every conversation you have, and every practice session is a step toward the life you dream of. Your English journey is just beginning, and it's full of possibilities. Imagine traveling freely, working in global companies, connecting with new friends, and learning from experts around the world. All of this is within your reach if you stay consistent, motivated, and confident. So take a deep breath, start today, and remember this. Every step forward is progress, and every effort you make brings you closer to success. Your bright future is waiting. You have the power, the ability, and the determination to achieve fluency in English. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, never give up. Your English journey awaits, and the best is yet to come.